Hello, and here's something I'm sort of part way through doing, and I can't, at the moment I'm not gonna do any more work on it, but I will at some point carry on and finish this. But this is something similar to the Deadly Wave, Deadly Tide redstone game I've made, except this one uses custom spawners instead of dispensers. It's not quite finished at the moment, but this button here starts off a little timer here. This goes on for like 5 minutes or something, and every time it sends like a tick, I don't know, whenever it wants to send it, like every 30 seconds or something, it'll turn the lights off in some like box down here, which will spawn enemies, and they'll get using the custom spawners, they'll get teleported to different points up here, and then they'll come and fight you. Yeah, and do some complicated redstone, making sure that it gets more difficult as it goes along. And this will also allow me to use the like spawners with geared mobs. It'd be very interesting, having like zombies with swords coming at you rather than just plain zombies. So it's designed to like run down here, follow the pumpkins. And these green things here, they use custom spawners to spawn items on them. So every like minute a new item spawns. So if you just wait a minute, you'll see some items will appear. And these potions, there'll be potions, they'll be quite useful. One of each type of potion. These little caves here are just for decoration, but the zombies or whatever enemy spawns quite close to here. And it's designed so that wherever you stand, the spawners will still be active. Oh yeah, potion. I want you to spawn here and here, like that. And then the great thing about using spawners is it allows you to spawn in splash potions, because if you fill a dispenser full of splash potions, it will just fire out the splash potions rather than give them to the player. So this is actually something that you couldn't actually do before custom spawners came out. I'm very pleased with the fact that custom spawners are out, and it's kind of one of the best things that's coming to 1.4. I'm really happy with it. Dinner bone is awesome. So yeah, well, I'll show you a little bit of the redstone. This is a what do you call it? It's a memory tape, and all these, each row going down this way, activates one of these like sets of pistons and makes this clock change numbers, so it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. When it gets to 0, all the enemies will stop spawning. It has this monostable circuit here, which sends a pulse down here, which is what turns those lights off. Yeah, I'll just show you down here. There's the spawners that spawn these. So it's quite simple. And then in here, there's spawners. Of course, it won't be like this when it's done. This is just like a prototype. When the lights are off, they'll spawn. So if I just wait a little bit. I think one spawned anyway. Oh, it's on peaceful, that's fine. Alright, try that again. There you go, spawned. You can hear it already, but they've spawned here and here. They literally just get teleported here and here. Yeah, so see, it spawned quite a few now because I've been waiting there quite a long time. Some point I'll finish this. Unfortunately, I've had to use some dispensers because otherwise, well, it's difficult to dispense these because what is quite interesting is the custom spawners take on whatever property of like spawning that the entity that it spawns has. So pigs will spawn on a grass block above light level 9, and items spawn in any situation, literally any situation. They can spawn inside blocks. You spawn inside any block, which is really weird. If you just stick a spawner, say this is the spawner, so you put your spawner there, and then you encase it in whatever, any block. When you mine those blocks away, they'll be full of items, which is really weird. And like for example, the slime spawners will only spawn below level 40 on a slime chunk, which is kind of annoying. Yeah, it's a little bit of work that I've been doing. Yeah, like I said, I'll finish at some point. I think this could be quite interesting once I actually finish it, because obviously I can have zombies and skeletons with armor, which would be cool. And I have to wait and see how the update, I have to wait and see how 1.4 turns out, because if they add armored enemies dropping armor and stuff, I won't even need these dispensers, because I'll just be able to have the zombies and skeletons dropping the armor for you, and then you just pick them up. So yeah. Right. Thanks for watching. Yeah, give a like if you enjoyed the video. I'd I'd appreciate a like, and subscribe if you're not. And if you like this sort of video where I show off some new things in like the custom spawners and new features of 1.4, put a comment in the video below, and I'll put up some new content pretty soon. Okay, bye.